Hello, this is Herschel Mehta with Mehta Ventures, a boutique family office based out of Mumbai, India that specializes in early stage venture opportunities. The following is part one of a series of 3 short videos which will explain our outlook on what we believe the future of quantum computing is. Thank you. There is a huge wave of research currently being done in the field of quantum computing. We believe this research is going to be the pioneering technological breakthrough that will enhance our future beyond what we can currently comprehend. The following series of short videos will highlight what exactly quantum computing is, what specific applications will utilize quantum computing, and finally our predictions on where we see the major industrial impact of quantum computing. Step 1. The current problem. In 1965, Gordon Moore, the founder of Intel, made a prediction that would set pace for our modern digital revolution. From careful observation of an emerging trend, Moore extrapolated that computing would dramatically increase in power and decrease in relative cost at an exponential pace. The insight, known as Moore's Law, became the golden rule for the electronics industry and a springboard for innovation. The processor industry has gone from strength to strength, and we've scaled heights that no one could have ever imagined. However, computing now is en route to hit a wall. Moore's Law has been faltering. Intel is finding it tougher and tougher to keep up with the prediction. Computing power isn't increasing as quickly as it used to. Classical computers are turning out to be inefficient at solving many new problems that we are facing. Problems that concern optimizing multiple variables for decisions or simulating complex models regularly stump classical computers. These problems need computers to flip through multiple solutions and make many computations. Classical computers aren't able to compute as quickly as these problems demand because they have to compute sequentially. They can compute parallelly, but that parallelism is quite limited. Most believe the way to overcome this barrier is by inventing a completely new paradigm of computing, known as quantum computing. Quantum computing can enable computers to make many more computations with a much higher level of parallelism than classical computers. It can also access multiple points of information concurrently, unlike current classical computers. This essentially ensures that the issues with classical computing can be overcome. How exactly does quantum computing work? Let's learn about that in the next video.